The Ultrasync doorbell camera is a feature-rich device that can be used to alert you when someone presses the doorbell button or even when motion is detected by the camera. Using your mobile device with the Ultrasync app, you can have a two-way conversation with people through the camera. In this video, we'll review some of the device settings and we'll look at some of the things you can do with the doorbell camera. For starters, let's pull up the doorbell camera on the Ultrasync app. Open the app and navigate to the camera screen. Now locate the doorbell camera. To make adjustments to features and setting on the camera, select the settings icon. It's the icon that looks like a gear and is located under the camera feed. If you want to be able to hear and speak with people using the doorbell camera, you'll need to enable audio. This is done by sliding the toggle button to the right. If you'd like the camera to be activated to record a clip, cause the Ultrasync system to send you a notification, or cause the hub to chime when the doorbell button is pressed or when motion is detected, you'll need to go into the Motion and Event Setup menu and slide the toggle button to the right. Please note, you can turn these features on and off, but they must first be enabled by your alarm dealer. Information and instructions on modifying motion and event settings is covered in the How to Make Adjustments to Ultrasync Camera Settings video. You may also make adjustments to the audio and video settings on your doorbell camera. Changes to these settings may be made by selecting the Audio-Video Settings drop-down menu. Information and instruction on modifying these settings is also covered in the How to Make Adjustments to Ultrasync Camera Settings video. Now let's make sure your system is set up so that notifications are sent to you when the doorbell button is pressed, and if desired, when motion is detected. From the overview screen, select the menu icon in the upper left corner. Next, select Sites, then select the information icon. From the menu, select Notification Services. To receive notifications on your mobile device, you'll need to enable Push Notifications. The toggle should be to the right. Next, click on Show Event Selection. In order to receive notifications when motion is detected by the doorbell camera and when the doorbell button is pressed, the video option must be checked. Remember to press Save after making changes. Then select Back and Back again, then select Done. You will now receive notifications on your mobile device when the doorbell is activated and when motion is detected by your doorbell camera.